Well, welcome to the weekly unbox. I'm Mary Beth Rowe. Now, I've never done this before, but I do like to open presents. And the theme to this hour, But the theme to this one is gifts for her. And I'm a her, maybe you're a her, but we all know hers, right? So let's get started. We got 4 great presents to open up. And we're going to start with, I'm going to rip the paper. Oh my gosh, this one's heavy. Oh man. Okay, now who would take this? There's nowhere to rip it. Oh, here we go. I finally got a corner here. Okay. Oh man. This is a great gift for her. Oh my goodness, this is the Dyson Air Wrap. Hang on, throw the paper. Oh, this is the Dyson Air Wrap. Oh yeah, hang on, it comes in a big box, big container. This is the Dyson blow dryer, but you can also use this, I think, to curl your hair. I've never actually used one of these, but I certainly have looked at them and thought about it. Oh my goodness, this is impressive. Well, there you go, girls. I'll take this one for the holidays. Wow, the brushes, oh my goodness, that's amazing. That was very exciting. If we have to choose like door number 1, 2, 3, or 4, I'll take door number 1. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Oh my goodness, that Dyson. Gifts for her. Oh. I know what this is. This is Catherine Zeta-Jones, because I recognize this because I own the throw that matches it. And so this is the robe from Catherine Zeta-Jones. Isn't that beautiful? And she's all about roses, but it feels amazing. I think it's so fun to get PJs or a robe for the holidays, don't you? Because it's chilly outside, and wow, that's a cool gift. Well, warm, hot gift, right? Because it's all done in that soft one. Plus, I gotta tell you, Catherine Zeta-Jones is so nice. I love working with her. She is a sweetheart. Okay, let's go on to the next one. What are we gonna do? I don't know what's in here. I keep wondering if it's gonna jump out at me. Makes me nervous. Okay, wow, what is this? I don't know. Oh my goodness, it's an iPad. How cool is that? That is like the best. I'll tell you what, that I will take any day, but I think she will take it. When it's gifts for her, I know she will take it at any point. I'll tell you, this is, to me, I own an iPad. It's the best way for me because I don't have to sit at a computer, but I can actually see it because it's not my phone, and I don't have to put my reading glasses on to see things. Awesome. That would be a great gift for her. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and then, last but not least, I wish we could keep going. What is this? Oh my goodness. It feels like cashmere. Ooh, I wonder if it is cashmere. Well, let's see. I've never seen this before. This is from Isaac. It is cashmere. I was right. 2-ply cashmere hooded ruana with pockets. Okay, we're taking it off. We're going on. We're going to put it on. Throw that jean jacket somewhere. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. All right. What do you think? Isn't this great? So if you see anything here that you would like for yourself, because you're her maybe, or gifts for her, someone you love, someone you know, from the Cashmere Ruana from Isaac Mizrahi to the iPad, who doesn't want that, to the Catherine Zeta-Jones robe that's beautiful and wonderful, and then I'm telling you what, if you got hair like mine, you definitely need that Dyson that has not just the blow dryer. This is gonna actually curl your hair and everything too. So if you wanna check these things out, go to the holiday gift guide on QVC.com. And the next weekly unbox will be next week, of course. Okay, see you.